The need for giant telescopes.
Giant telescopes are essential for exploring the universe in greater detail than ever before. As astronomers seek to observe faint, distant objects, they require more light-gathering power and sharper resolution. This drives the creation of telescopes with enormous mirrors, often spanning over 8 meters, which allow scientists to study everything from exoplanets to the earliest galaxies.
Designing colossal mirrors.
Modern giant telescopes rely on massive mirrors to collect light. Unlike older telescopes with single glass mirrors, today's mirrors are often segmented, composed of multiple smaller pieces assembled with extreme precision. These segments are precisely curved and aligned to form a single, flawless surface. Lightweight materials and innovative supports help reduce distortion, enabling clear, sharp images of distant space.
Innovative engineering solutions.
Building giant telescopes demands creative engineering. Structures must support thousands of tons while remaining stable and flexible enough to track celestial objects with pinpoint accuracy. Engineers use advanced materials like steel and carbon composites, active supports that adjust mirror shape in real time, and earthquake-resistant foundations to ensure performance in challenging environments, often on remote mountaintops.
Bringing telescopes to life.
The precision mechanics, components, and sophisticated cooling systems all play critical roles. Scientists and engineers collaborate over many years to assemble, calibrate, and test every component. Supercomputers process vast streams of data captured by the telescope, helping astronomers uncover secrets of the universe.
Unlocking new discoveries.
The largest telescopes open new frontiers in astronomy. They allow us to detect planets orbiting other stars, observe the birth of galaxies, and probe mysteries like dark matter and black holes. As technology advances, even more impressive telescopes are planned, promising to reveal sights that were once unimaginable and deepening our understanding of the cosmos.